Although Jamaica has an immunization coverage through the success of its expanded program on immunization (EPI), that does not mean children are not at risk for getting certain diseases. Diseases that can cause a child to become sick for an extended period, or in a worst-case scenario, the child can die as a result of some of these diseases. But family physician Dr. Orville Nemard says all of this can be prevented through vaccination.
So it allows you to be exposed to the illness without getting the full illness, and therefore, if it is you're now exposed otherwise, you are now immune.
Like any other medication, these vaccines can cause side effects, including fever, soreness, and swelling in the area where the children receive the injection. But Dr. Nemard says these usually go away within a few days.
Post-vaccination, it's not unusual to have a fever. Usually short-lived. Some people just feel a little lousy, so-called malaise, and you can get redness and irritation at the site of the vaccine. These are usually short-lived and have little consequence.
He says what helps too is the immunization regulations of 1986, which were drafted under the Public Health Act of 1974, which states that all children in Jamaica are required to be adequately vaccinated by their first birthday and before their entry to school.
So it's not left up to the individual to make a decision about immunization. The law does support, and that is protective for everybody. Because once there's an individual who's susceptible, then that person becomes a reservoir for infection in the community, and then it makes all of us at risk.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. Health report.